Welcome to Exams Daily. WEBCSE Recruitment 2020 has out. In this video, I'm just going to share you details regarding this recruitment process. WEBCSE West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission has released the notification for various posts, and it invites application from Indian citizen, and the application for this is submitted via online mode only through their official website. And the application for this recruitment starts from 17/10/2020 after 4 p.m. onwards, and it is ends up by 30/11/2020 for the post of Group C and other posts in various cooperative institutions. And you can apply for this recruitment in our Exams Dailies main portal, and I'm just giving that link in description box. WEBCSE recruitment. Name of the board conducting this is West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission, and then post name is Group C and Officer Post. And total number of vacancies are 49. And application starts from 17/10/2020, and it is ends up by 30/11/2020. And then vacancy details. For the post of Officer Post, it is 3 vacancies. For the post of Group C, it is 46 vacancies. Total number of vacancies are 49. And then qualification needed for this recruitment is you should possess graduate in any discipline plus BCK by BCom plus BCK by higher secondary, Madhyamik or equivalent qualification is needed. And then age limit for this recruitment is maximum age limit is 80 to 40 for your candidates. For SC, ST and then OBC A and OBC B candidates, it is 18 to 45 years as on 1/1/2020. And then pay scale for this recruitment is initial salary is 28,701 rupees. And then selection procedure for this recruitment is for the post, you will have to appear for online examination. It consists of one paper. It consists of 150 MCQ type question. It consists of 5 subjects, namely quantitative aptitude, test of reasoning, general awareness, English, and then Bengali by Nepali. There will be negative marking. It is in the ratio of 1:4, and total full marks is 150. And time duration for this is 2 hours. And then stage 2 of this is you have to appear for a paper 1 examination. Those who pass it, you are eligible for stage 2 examination. So it comprises of fundamental of accountancy and general banking awareness paper, and it is for 100 questions. And it is also you want to going to write this for online mode only, and it is MCQ type. Total marks is 100. Duration is 1.5 hours. And then for Group C post, you are called for interview and then Viva was test, and that is based on paper 1 marks. And for the post of Officer Post, you will be called for interview and then Viva was test on the basis of marks obtained in paper 1 and paper 2 only. And then stage 3. So for the candidates of Group C, you have to appear in practical test in basic computer knowledge, and it comprises of 50 marks and qualifying in nature. And then for Group C post, you will be called for interview and then Viva was test, and it is for 15 marks. As per merit list prepared on the basis of result on online based examination MCQ type, the officer post will be called for an interview and then Viva was test, and it is for 24 marks. And it is also as per merit list prepared on the basis of result on online MCQ question. And then total marks for preparing final merit list is it is calculated by adding marks obtained in online examination and then obtained in interview and then Viva was test. And this is the examination procedure for this recruitment. And then application fee for unreserved category candidates. It includes examination fee plus processing fee. Totally 650 rupees for unreserved categories, and then for OBC it is 650 rupees, and then for SC ST it is 250 rupees. And then SC ST candidates of West Bengal are exempted from paying examination fees, and then for SC ST candidates for other state there is no exemption. And then how to apply for this recruitment? If you have minimum qualification for the recruitment, you can apply for this. So BCK stands for basic computer knowledge, meaning you need a computer course covering at least MS Office and then internet operation with a duration of 6 months. And if the academic by professional course curriculum successfully pursued by the applicant contains at least 6 months session on computer course, as the same is duly mentioned in the testimonial by document certificate on BCK, will not be separately necessary. And then Madhyamik or equivalent or higher secondary or equivalent should be obtained from recognized board of India. And graduation degree in any discipline must be obtained from UGC recognized University of India. And then in order to apply for this, you want to provide an email address along with your mobile number for receiving communications from the commission. And then you must enter your personal, academic, and technical computer details truly and correctly as per required in application form. And then you will require to scan and upload some documents like your passport size photography, signature, left thumb impression, and then admit card by a certificate of Madhyamik or equivalent examination 10th standard certificate, and then caste certificate if applicable. And then you are considered for any vacancy in any institution who have not exercised option, and you will be deemed to have been successfully submitted only after successful payment of correct and exact amount given. And then registration number will be generated, and then you are advised to note and preserve the registration number for your future use. And then these are the instructions they had given, so you need to upload 4 documents only. So, and I will show you how to apply for this recruitment. And this is the main page of West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission. And here we are going to apply for this examination, WEBCSE Recruitment 2020. So see, here is 3 box given. So what first, it is registration by login, and then result admin login. So I'm just going to click this registration by login. So for this, we are going to register at new. So we want to give apply now option. So here they had given the details about this recruitment, and then what are the documents you are going to upload for this recruitment process. So once you must go through that, and you can click proceed. And then they had given online registration process like step 1, step 2, step 3, and then step 4, and then step 5 of registration. At step 1, you want to register, and you will get your registration number at this time. So for this, you want to give your basic details like your name, date of birth, category, gender, mail address, and then like that. For step 2, you want to give your qualification, experience details, and then correct academic by qualification, experience, and then things like this. And then for step 3, you want to upload your image and signature, left thumb impression. So, and then caste certificate, and then 10th standard certificate at that session. And then step 4, you want to pay your fees. And then step 5, you want to print your registration form, application form. So after that, if you read that, just click in this button and then proceed for registration. So see here, this is the first step. Here you are going to give your postcode, and then your cooperative institution, post category, and then your personal details, address detail, contact details, and then you click register. You will get your registration number, and then you want to provide your personal details like educational qualification details. And then third step, you are going to upload your image, signature, like that, and at step 3. And at last, you are going to pay the fees, and you can take printout of application form at last. And these are the procedure for applying for this recruitment, West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission. And yes, that's it about this recruitment. And hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.